Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon below to get notifications.
The topic we discuss here is manage device settings. What are manage device settings? What is exam viewpoint? What labs we need to perform? Azure Administrator can configure the following device settings for Azure Active Directory. Users may join devices to Azure Active Directory. The configuration can be to all users, selected users, or no user. Users may register their devices with Azure AD. Again, all or none. Require multi-factor authentication to join devices. Yes or no. And the maximum number of devices that they can configure. It ranges between 5, 10, 20, 50, 100 and even unlimited. Mostly manage device settings is a lab question, but again they may ask you, do we need to have multi-factor authentication to register the devices? Yes or no? Let us try to see how to configure device settings. Now, let's go to Active Directory, click Devices, click Device Settings. Here we can configure different parameters. You can configure users may join their devices to Azure Active Directory. Users may register their devices. Users require multi-factor authentication to join devices. Maximum number of devices per user. Now, let us configure how we will allow only a couple of users to join their devices. They may register, but they may not select. They may not join. So here, let's add two users, Alan Walker and Shrikant. Click select, click OK. So these two users can basically join their devices to Azure Active Directory. Now, users may register their devices with Azure Active Directory. Let us leave it blank. And we need to configure a multi-factor authentication to enhance security. So let us enable it. And finally, the maximum number of devices per user. Let us configure it to 10. Click Save. All the settings are updated. Thank you.